Hi, in this video I will show you how to pause updates on Windows 10. Okay, first go to Start, then Settings, and go to Update and Security. And here you can pause updates for 7 days. Also, you can go to Advanced Options, and under Pause Update section, you can pause updates up to 35 days. And when you reach the pause limit, your device will need to get new updates before you can pause again. And here you can select the date until you want to pause updates. Okay, let's go back. Here you can change active hours. My current active hours are 8 AM to 5 PM. If your Windows updates and need to restart, it won't restart your PC during active hours. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. Bye!